Folks, today is the 1st of May 2025. On the 1st of May 2023, I made this channel, I posted the first video, and since then I'm doing this for 2 years straight. The way that I've been working, I've been making a commitment to myself that for the next year. So in the next year, I will be doing videos every month, 2 videos a week, no questions asked. Whatever happens, I don't care. The videos will be coming out, the videos will be there. And I kept my promise. I didn't skip a single week over the last 24 months where I skipped something. The way that I want to move the channel forward is I like doing what I'm doing. This YouTube thing became a part of my monthly routine, something like a dental flossing, something that you just do and then you experience the benefits. I've experimented a lot for the last couple of months. I changed the approach to the way that I produce content, to the way that I distribute the content, different things, different tools that help me to do it. The most important thing that I learned in the last year, that the most viable asset on the channel is you as the viewer that is listening, that is watching, that is giving attention, that is sending good comments or even bad comments. It doesn't really matter. What matters is you guys spending your attention and giving a little bit of this time, not to me, but you giving this time to you. The way of the type of content I'm giving is more self-improving, more getting you somewhere, more about helping you achieve your goals. So one way is like you're watching this channel because you like me and you like what I'm saying, but at the same time, I hope that you are seeing a positive benefit on your life after the implementation of skills, tricks, things that I talk about here. And it's my deepest gratitude to you, my viewer, to wherever you are right now. I'm thinking of you monthly, weekly, how to make sure that you get the good content, how to make sure that this topic is interesting for you. And I really, really like when you do any kind of shares with your friends, likes, subscriptions, joining their community. It's really a great pleasure. Now, I want to show you a very cool thing, which is going to be here. We're going to look at my YouTube. We're going to go in the analytics, and then we're going to go into the last 365 days. So you're just going to see the statistics and you will understand how everything was growing. So we are 261% up in views in the year. We are 119% more watch time hours. It's almost 700 hours that you guys did in a year, which is crazy. Like, think about 700 hours is multiple days. It's more than 10 days of you just sitting and watching YouTube videos. And we grew to 474 subscribers, which is almost doubling the growth rate of previous time. So if you go like right now, when I'm recording this, I have 705. If you deduct 705, 474, there's going to be around 200 something subscribers that we had last year. And then in the year, it's a huge growth. Videos, you can see that there's been ups, lows and downs, but generally there is a moment when we have a good period, then there is a moment of where everything is very slow and very weak, and between me and you, it's harder to keep your motivation. Not just harder, but like I'm not even looking at the numbers. If I see that something is spiking, I'm like, okay, great. If I see that, the same amount of content that I think would be really interesting, that it's not tracking, then I say, okay, then now is just not the time. But this year we had the first video that went over 1,000 views, like in the first couple of days. The video about Dubai, it was an interesting one, like the one that was flooded, and I was sharing how do you prepare for that event. Surprisingly, it had such a good reception in the audience, so then I decided that I'm gonna do those videos again and again and again. The video about learning the Web3 sales and BD tactics, it's a very basic and very starter video, and this is the beginning video for most of the people, of the new folks that are starting in this channel. This also tells me who my audience is, 5 things that I wish I knew about Web3 businesses, and a bunch of shorts that are going into trending. All of these things help me to get to these numbers, but again, this wouldn't happen without you if you didn't share it with your friends, if you didn't speak positively about me, if you didn't learn the things, and at the same time, if you did not decide every day that you are worth improving, and the only way for you to improve is to find the information and implement the information. And I hope that this channel is bringing you a lot of fun things in life, and I'm really grateful to you for your decision to invest in yourself. You're not investing money, but you're investing time and you're investing effort if you're doing and implementing things that I'm sharing. And if you want to share some love, you have the comment section. Also, you have the Web3 Sales Gym community. You can join that one and talk about things that you like in the community in the YouTube or don't like there. Or you can always DM me. I'm gonna leave my contact details for the Telegram. Happy to talk with you. A little bit busy lately, but I will always find time to reply to you. So thank you, everyone. It was a pleasure for serving you for the last year. I will continue doing this from now on. I really like doing this, and I hope that this is helpful for you, and we have a very nice and fruitful partnership together with you guys. Thanks so much, and you be on your day. Enjoy your day. See ya. Bye-bye.